In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set temporary profile picture on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Facebook app. Once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Facebook profile page, and then tap at your current profile picture. After that, select profile picture, the second option. Here we can choose any picture from any place we want, such as camera roll, suggested photos, uploads, profile pictures, and others. I'm just gonna choose some random picture from my camera roll, let's say that one. And now, guys, we can go right there to edit to crop it. We can add there a frame, and also by using that button we can make this picture temporary. To do that, I'm going to tap right here, and now we can choose the exact period of time which we would like to set our profile picture for. We can choose here 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, and custom. I'm just going to select 1 hour, and then also down below here I recommend you to toggle off the option which is called share your update to newsfeed, and then just hit save. That's basically how we can easily set a temporary profile picture on Facebook. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.